Principle of journalism. Okay, so journalism criticizes the activities of the other people and institution, and what they publish can have profound impact on the people, business and institution they cover, as well as socially at large. Journalists must live up the highest standard integrity, such as truth, fairness, sincerity, and avoiding the appearance of conflict of interest. Rigorous honesty is required in research, analysis, and writing, as well as discussion with colleagues and client. Lack of honesty undermines the very foundation of journalism process and can have a grave consequences. Principle: without integrity, your journalism is untrustworthy and suspected. Integrity gives journalism the authority and investigate issue. Shine a light is a dark place to dig where the others don't. It is essential to inform the public debate with trustworthy, rigorous journalism. In editorial terms, it means the following: not to sell your coverage for financial reward, not to take money from the person, group, and organization for the viewpoint, not to promote a story based on any personal group and partisan interest, not to endorse the appear the ensure any particular organization or service, not to promote on media organization or a groups. Okay, so these are our principle at journalism according to course. And source and anonymity. A source is a roughly defined as a person who contribute information to a piece of reportage. Journalists would seek a fair of the truthful and reporting what their source tell them. Factual accuracy and involve working diligently to get side a story by speaking the multiple sources with different and often varying point of view. On and off the record, there are the pre-arranged arrangement between the reporter and the source, which governs specific information can be used. This deal must be agreed by the before and never after. A source cannot say that something then claim it was off the record that too late. Okay, so about the anonymity, journalists should avoid the using unidentified source whenever possible. There are the moment, however, when the only way to get the story is to offer anonymous to a source. Such offer should be last resort after repeated attempt to go on the record have failed and journalists have received permission from his editor. Some notable example like a source admit contributed a crime, publishing the name could him the present source began begging the because public exposure could embrace the source jeopardize and source jobs. Okay, the an illegal immigrant is afraid to speak out the fear of being deported. Okay, on the record on street interview, like when interviewing people on street, sometimes refer to the box pop such as tourist and the voter exit polling persistent etc. Be sure to get the event editor need to confirm quotes are fact, check a source identity, and simply want to journalists to ask follow-up questions. Often the purpose of the on-street interviews to try to capture the diversity of opinion in particular population, not just get a few lovely out and write any story. Recording interview, there are the obvious benefit to recording interview, namely an assurance and accuracy to creation of the verifiable record. Although the law of certain state allow professional journalists to tap conversation without getting the permission of the interviews before, and some do not be, you will need to check the policies in your jurisdiction. Okay, in your governance and your states also. Privacy and copyright. So source may be also be defined as a research material including newspaper, magazine, books, research report, studies, polls, and radio, television, documentaries, movies, audio, podcast, and video from the webs. All such source, particularly secondary source, should be carefully vetted. Good journalists don't simply state information and claim for written or broadcast material. And then copyright. So the journalist must clearly indicate where information come from. Failure to disclose your reliance on someone else's work to unethical and can leave leaders or viewers in the dark about legitimacy of the information. This does not hold true if something is a well known fact that the beyond reasonable dispute. Also a writer you can legally see a limited amount of the copyright material for purpose of commentary, criticism, and productivity without first seeking permission. Then you have privacy. A question journalists often confront is how much the person's private life should be revealed in an article. Just because of a reporter can pull up source mortgage, stock holding, and the perform the Google Earth flyover of his homes. So this was the about privacy and copyright. At, now we have need to know revealing information undercover. If you are writing about the guy bar destroyed in a fire, do you release the name of the deceased patron? What if you learn the homemaker in the community had been possessed many years earlier? Do you run it? If a woman accuses a man rape, do you publish his name if charges happen not been files? And do you investigate the sexual history of woman making the allegation? If a local judge ran a porn video, is that the news? The internet had over increasing number of the way to expose people with the potentially embracing fact appearing the search for air. Privacy should never taken lightly, and journalists should not inquire into source personal lives unless doing so relevant the story they are researching. The fact that the local politician has a patronized a gay bar might be has a private business. The fact that the local politician known as an anti-gay substance had patroned that bar might be a public business. Undercover, the vast majority of the time journalists should make clear to the people they are interviewing that they are journalists. In highly unusual circumstances, there may be good reason to not identify yourself as journalist. For example, observing police officer interaction with the protester and really reviewing the restaurant, video tapping counter and merchandise in a market. Okay, so these are the something integrity of journalism, conflicts interest of the person in era of great and growing dissent in the media. It's a imperative journalist about conflict interest. These are defined as a situation in which there are the professional, personal, and financial obligation interest variance with the journalist obligation to his audience. When you choose the block about the what you write, the publication could potentially reflect the ethical concern. For the example, if you blog then about the hard news story and publish the extensive research and both government policies, readers could reasonably question your objectively. Be aware that whatever you write, you may remain cyberspace in the property revealed with a symbol web search. If you post in malicious, immature, purient, and material engage the online flame war, you could be online, and then we have gifts that journalists generally would not accept any gift from source or from the subject to other stories. Sometimes source will taken to their appreciation after the fact, which is to fact the after publication. Every media outlet has its own policy in accepting such gifts. In a broad culture where refusing hospitality could be interpreted as a rudeness, it may premise to accept food, private loading, and the small token of affection of gratitude. Similarly, in some cultures, Japan, for example, a procession reporter present a small gift source before the interview start, especially if the interview is being conducted at the source home. Rights and duties. So, law cases, be especially careful when publishing statements that are the injurious to someone's reputation. It could be labeled the libel painful. It cannot be labeled suit of the Timothy Stephen publishes sunshine phobia and the sunshine law seek the shine light on the inner working state of the federal government official and department. As there is most meeting regularly bodies public and their decision record disclosure. Okay, plagiarism and fabrication. Journalists earn their living with word of plagiarism, using someone else's words as they bear your own is simply stated stealing. It can take in many form. At the worst, plagiarism can be copying and pasting the article, the internet slapping. Throughout charge of plagiarism, the writer must perhaps another word state of source, credit and person creation, cite any fact that are not commonly known as a words and state of source, credit, person creation. Be sure label your notes carefully when consulting material in library or online. Fabrications, making up source of information in an assignment is a source ethical valuation. The real world could be immediate dismissal and end of the professional careers. Others think something like a name, dates, and places should never be altered to any story, even the protected source identify. If publishing those facts could lead to reputation against a source and compensation dictated omitting these facts from a story, they should simply be cut. Objective at generalist balanced. Sometimes journalists talk about the offering balanced reporting. That is not a realistic. Life is not balanced and not the journalist that report on life. It might be that the story is to be one-sided, that is try to offer so-called balance, make a mocky in the report. In such cases, we should aim to offer other perspective. Later in the programmers, the later bulletin, personal views offering one side of a story can often add a fresh public understanding of an issue. And in coverage debate, this can include the views of victim and those who feel that their others have been wrong. Such personal views are highly partial. In such cases, it is important to make it clear audience that the view being expressed offer one side only. Impartial, being impartial mean not being prejudiced toward the against any particular side. All journalists have their own views. Yet to deliver comprehensive coverage of news story, they must rise above their own personal by reflecting the delivering the opinion fairly. They accurately we offer the true picture of the news. News is about delivering facts that have been tested, sources attributed and proven. Impartially gentle for reboot news coverage and being impartial not about the being the soft and bland. It is about stripping out the personal and allowing the audience to dignity and drawing their own conclusion from the thought and pollution injected journalist may be. So yeah, this was about ethical answer we have in the topic.